This is the adjustable lever I have installed. So this is straight from the KTM Duke 390. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to talk about the adjustable clutch levers that I have installed on my RS457. As I have already spoken about adjustable clutch levers in the last video, I wanted to show you guys that I have already installed the adjustable clutch lever of KTM Duke 390 on my motorcycle. But there is a problem to that, and I thought every one of you should know about that, and that's the reason why I'm making this video. So let's get started with this video. This is the adjustable lever I have installed. So this is straight from the KTM Duke 390, but this particular lever was not fitting into the yoke of the RS457, so I had to replace the yoke as well. So this particular yoke does not belong to RS457, it belongs to the KTM Duke 390. So this lever and this yoke, both of them are changed, and you can see I'm able to use the clutch, and also the adjustment is working, so I can make it as far as possible. So one is the farthest position, so this is the farthest position. If I set it to 5, yeah, this is the closest position. So 1 to 5 is the setting that I have got with this clutch lever. But the major problem with this clutch lever is that I'm not able to install the clutch switch. So I have taped the clutch switch over here. This is the clutch switch. So this clutch switch is not compatible with this yoke, and that's the reason why I'm not able to use the clutch switch. So if the clutch switch is not installed, two things are not working. That is, one, if it is in gear, I will not be able to start the motorcycle even if I press the clutch, because the clutch switch does not get engaged. And forgive me about this wind noise, because there is a lot of wind blowing over here and I am outside. So that was one reason why the clutch switch is important, and the other reason is because I have installed a quick shifter and auto blipper on my bike. So the auto blipper works on the clutch position sensor. Because this sensor is not working right now, I'm not able to use the auto blip feature on my bike as well. So upshifts are working as of now, but the downshift is not working. So I thought I should let you guys know that these are the two functionality which will not work if you plan to change the clutch lever on the RS457. Of course, this gives an additional benefit of adjusting the clutch lever the way the rider wants, but the main thing is I'm not able to use the auto blipper. The auto blipper is something for which I have spent around 29k on this bike, and I don't want to miss out on that. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to remove this clutch lever and again go back to the stock clutch lever. And this was just an experiment because I wanted to do it. I did it, but I did realize that I will have to shift back to the stock levers, but it's okay. It's better than regretting that I did not try for it, rather than trying for it, failing on that, and then going back to the stock setting. I think that's what makes me more satisfied, that I did try for it. It's not that I did not try for it, and it really looks cool. So you see the brake lever. This adjustable brake lever is also from the KTM Duke 390. This is a perfect fit on the RS457. But the clutch lever, I had to change the yoke, because the yoke is also changed with the lever. The switch is not compatible here. So even if I try to install the switch, the switch position does not match, and I'm not able to fit that particular switch on this bike. And apart from that, if I want to use the switch of KTM Duke 390, I have got that as well. I tried installing that, but that switch has only 2 wires, and this switch, the stock switch of RS457, has 3 wires. The third wire is for the auto blipper. So there is absolutely no way you can use another switch, because normal clutch switches will just have 2 wire, that is on and off position, but the RS457 clutch switch has 3 wires, one for the cranking the motor when the bike is in gear, and other one is to use the auto blipper. Now you will think, why use the clutch switch for the auto blipper function? That's because if the bike is in lower speeds and you pull the clutch and you switch down the gears, the bike will not auto blip. That's when the clutch sensor comes into play. And whenever the bike is at higher speed, you don't pull the clutch and you downshift, the bike auto blips. So it is very important that switch should be working. So I'm going to install that switch again, because I will have to change this lever. But this looks really cool. I did not want to let go of this adjustable clutch lever, but I thought I should inform all of my audience, if anyone is planning to go for adjustable lever, this is the problem that even you might face, and there is nothing to hide. It's okay to fail, but it's better to try. That's what I believe in, and I did that. Now I have again shifted back to the stock lever. So this is the stock lever. It is comparatively thin than the KTM Duke 390's adjustable lever, and this particular yoke is also the stock one. And now the clutch switch is fitted to it. You can see this wire, it goes inside this. So now the clutch switch is working, also the auto blipper is working. I did not spend much. I got the clutch lever and the yoke for around 1100 rupees, and I installed it myself. I did not record the installation video because it is super easy. Anyone can do that. You just have to remove these screws and you can install it. But I just wanted to tell you that if you plan to install these adjustable levers, these are the problems that you can face with. With that, it's time to close this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button. So that's all about this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.